Damon here with IGN News. A supermassive black hole with a mass of 17 billion suns has been discovered in an isolated galaxy 200 million light years away. In the past, supermassive black holes have been discovered at the heart of large galaxies, but this is the first time scientists have located a black hole of this size in a relatively empty area, a galaxy known as NGC 1600. Scientists have theorized that the mass of a black hole and the mass of a galaxy's stars are somehow related, but this new discovery may have disproved that idea. The black hole accounts for 2.1% of the entire mass of NGC 1600, where black holes typically only account for roughly 0.2% of their host galaxy's mass. NGC 1600's supermassive black hole is only 4 billion suns smaller than the largest known black hole. For all the news in the universe, stay tuned to IGN.